Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Jenilyn Kwemi,
and today's video, this is for absolute beginner, and I will be showing you how to make a chain or how to do the foundation chain. So I will be showing you this. Okay, I used the Indofill acrylic yarn and a 3.0 millimeter crochet hook. Okay, so this is very easy. Okay, first thing to do is to do the slip knot. There are many ways how to make a slip knot, but I will be showing you in this way. Okay, put your hook here and then twist, then alright, so this is how it looks like, and then insert your hook again and then grab the or pull through the yarn just like this and then pull the tail. So this is how you make the slip knot. Okay, alright, to do the chain you have to insert yarn over, right? Okay, just like this and then pull through once. So this is how you do the chain again, just like this, pull through again. So here and then pull through. Alright, so this is 3 chains and we will have to do 10 chains. This is for our foundation chain. Alright, so insert your hook and then pull through, and then to call this twist, touch your yarn with your hook and then twist and then pull through. Alright, okay, so this is how you do the chain, the foundation chain of our crochet. Alright, okay, so this is how you do it. This is how you do it. Everybody move it from the left to the right. Alright, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So okay, so after doing this, okay, I will be cutting this. I will be cutting this. Alright. Okay, so I'll have to cut this and then pull through. Okay, this is our foundation chain. So thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Kindly click the notification bell below so that you will be updated on my next video. My cat is ruining my video. Alright, so ayan guys, see you in my next video. Thank you so much. Bye.